Okay, so now we're going to go into some detailed requirements. Now, as I said in the overall customization section, I want to make sure that we really kind of define our terms here. So the deliverable is kind of defined at the highest level. These are the objectives we want to achieve. And then we're going to drive down to more level of detail here. So on this particular deliverable, you can just simply add in new deliverables like this, and you would add in your standard deliverable stuff in there. I can search this by work group or sub-work group or individual project, for example. I'm going to get rid of that. And so I'm going to go back to my audit here. So let's assume that I've put in some of these deliverables. Now I'm going to go in and say, what are the individual requirements for this? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at, here are the different types of requirements. So I could have functional requirements, non-functional, system, project, data, and interfaces. But right now I'm just going to stick with functional. And then, whoops, I took functional out. So there, we're going to put functionals in. And then for this one, I'm going to go into a level of detail so I can always edit any of these things as I go. And you can see how if I've got dependent requirements and so forth, that's where I would put them in there. And then I'm going to cancel that out. Now I'm going to go to how do I prove that this requirement has been fulfilled? So I've got my test cases. So I got a little X here that says that I must not have fulfilled my test case just yet. So I put in my test cases, all good. And then I can even go down another level of detail to my acceptance criteria. So again, these are all directly linked. If I were to go over to another one, they would disappear because these are related to the parent item. So now my acceptance criteria, again, I haven't really put anything in here, but what you could do is you could put your acceptance criteria in here. So you've got full traceability all the way along, and you can see how many are passing through each one. So again, a real quick and easy way to assess whether you're delivering on the high-level deliverables and benefits for your overall program.